How to turn off reposts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the Repost section in your feed. Here, you can view all your reposts on TikTok. Open the repost you want to remove. Then tap on the edit icon as shown. Here, tap on Reposted. Now tap on Remove Repost. You have now successfully removed this repost. You can repeat this to remove all your reposts. Following these steps, you can easily turn off reposts on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.